The Age of Intelligence, Unraveling the Future of AI and Technology. In the heart of the digital revolution, a new wave of technological brilliance is reshaping the world as we know it. Artificial intelligence, AI, once a vision of science fiction, now orchestrates the flow of data, energy, and decision-making that powers modern life. The image at hand captures this very essence, a futuristic graphic design that brings together the key elements driving the transformation of our technological landscape. 1. The rise of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence lies at the center of this evolving technological framework. AI is no longer a niche area of computer science. It is now the engine of automation, decision-making, and innovation. As illustrated in the image, the glowing AI brain and its digital branches represent how machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing are embedded into our daily lives. Whether it's recommendation algorithms on streaming platforms, virtual assistants, or predictive maintenance systems in manufacturing, AI is optimizing the way systems operate. This intelligent core in the image reflects AI's central role as a decision-making engine, learning from data, identifying patterns, and making predictions at a speed and scale that no human can match. 2. Big data and the digital nervous system. Surrounding the AI core is a framework that looks like a digital nervous system, composed of pulsating lines of light and layered data panels. This metaphor perfectly represents big data, the raw material that fuels AI. Every moment, billions of devices produce data: sensors on industrial equipment, GPS signals, health monitors, smart home devices, and user interactions on websites. The image beautifully illustrates how this data is not just stored, but actively streamed, analyzed, and utilized in real time. The presence of numerical streams and coded layers on the design reflects how massive datasets are visualized, interpreted, and turned into actionable insights. It's not just about having data, but understanding it, making sense of its hidden stories, trends, and warnings. 3. Neural networks and machine learning. The digital branches in the image mimic the architecture of neural networks, a cornerstone of modern AI. Inspired by the human brain, neural networks allow machines to learn from experience. The layered nature of the lines, nodes, and connections evokes the concept of deep learning, where machines use multiple processing layers to progressively extract higher-level features from raw input. 4. Internet of Things, IoT, and edge computing. One of the most striking aspects of the image is the sense of motion and connectivity. It implies that intelligence is not confined to a central server, it's distributed. This is where IoT and edge computing enter the frame. From smart thermostats and wearable devices to self-driving vehicles and industrial sensors, the IoT enables objects to communicate and act intelligently. The glowing intersections and nodes shown in the image reflect this mesh of connected devices. 5. Cybersecurity and digital trust. In a world powered by AI and data, cybersecurity becomes the guardian of digital trust. The image hints at this with encrypted code snippets and shielded zones, symbolizing the layers of protection needed in an increasingly vulnerable landscape. 6. Augmented reality, virtual reality, and human-AI interaction. Another dimension present in the image is the concept of human-machine interaction. The layered design and semi-transparent panels resemble augmented reality, AR, interfaces digital information layered onto our real world. 7. Sustainability and smart cities. The image's vast digital skyline and clean, glowing structures evoke the concept of smart city urban areas powered by AI, sensors, and analytics. These cities monitor traffic, optimize energy use, manage waste, and ensure efficient public services.